Can you send money from your Afterpay account to your bank account? Today we are going to talk about if you can transfer money from your Afterpay account to your bank account. Well, what actually is Afterpay is actually a platform which allows you to buy now and pay later things. So you can actually buy things now and pay later for those things. However, this is not like a bank or it doesn't contain money. The money that you have or you use at Afterpay is actually directed to you from your bank account. You've actually connected your bank account in the form of credit or debit card, which are actually being charged from your bank account to pay on Afterpay. So, indirectly or directly, the Afterpay is not a payment thing. You are only using it to buy now and pay later. So, in order to transfer money, you have to actually transfer it from your bank account. So, just go to your bank account, tap on send or transfer, enter the recipient's phone number, email address, or bank account number to transfer money. So, that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.